Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to resize product images in Shopify. If you want to claim the current deals of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link on the description below. The importance of optimizing image sizes on Shopify are blazing fast loading speeds, happy mobile shoppers, SEO boost, reduce bounce rate, professionalism and polish, then bandwidth savings. There are two common methods to help you resize product images on Shopify. The method one is resizing images before uploading. This method gives you the most control over image size and quality. You can use either image editing software like Photoshop or online tools like Canva to resize your image before uploading them to Shopify. Method 2. Using Shopify's built-in image editor. Shopify offers a built-in image editor that allows you to make basic adjustments to image, including resizing and cropping. Let's see how to leverage this tool. From your Shopify admin, go to Products. Then, choose the product whose images you want to edit. Now, click on the product image. And you will see the option to crop, resize, or rotate it. Click Crop and Transform. Adjust your image's dimensions according to Shopify's recommendations or your preferred size. Example, resize it to 800 by 800 pixels. After that, click Apply. Then click Save to apply the changes. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.